Welcome to the Tech Yorker Guides channel. In this video, we will discuss the problem where JPG files do not show up in the preview pane. All the other files work flawlessly, but when you click on a JPG file and select it, it doesn't load up in the preview pane. You can try out the following methods to fix this issue. First of all, you must restart the Windows Explorer process. For that, open the Task Manager and then locate the Windows Explorer process. You can also find it using the top search bar. Right-click on the process and then select the Restart option. Your screen will flicker for a second and then load up again. Check if the JPG preview works in the File Explorer. You can modify some File Explorer settings in order to make the preview pane work like it used to. Open the option settings in the File Explorer and switch to the View tab. Scroll down and find the Show Preview Handlers in Preview Pane option. Make sure that this box is checked and then click on the Apply button. Click on the OK button and then revisit the folder or file section where JPG files are present. Enable the preview pane if it is not enabled already and click on it to check if the images load up in the preview pane. If that doesn't work, reopen the folder option settings and click on the Restore Defaults. This will revert all the default File Explorer settings on your Windows PC. Next, you can try re-registering the DLL files. Open the PowerShell as an administrator and then type the following command to re-register the DLL files. We will also include the command in the description box so that you can run it easily. Press enter and then close the PowerShell window. After that, restart your PC for the changes to take effect. Another trick that worked for some users is setting the Photos app as the default image viewer for JPG files. Open any folder location and right-click on a JPG file and then select the Open With option. Click on Choose Another App and then make this the default setting. Click on the Always button to keep the Photos app as a default image previewer and the app will launch. Close the Photos app and then check if the images now load in the preview pane. If all of the methods did not resolve the issue, it is possible that a recent Windows update or app installation is breaking the JPG preview in the File Explorer. So you can apply a previous restore point to get the preview pane working normally again. That's all for this video, guys. Do like and share this video with other users. Also subscribe to the Tech Yorker Guides channel for more such Windows and other operating system content. You can also visit our website techyorker.com for detailed and descriptive textual guides on various topics.